Hey mathematicians, we are going to continue adding two negative numbers together, and I'm going to show you two different methods to do this one based on the different examples we've done throughout the week. So the first way I'm going to show you how to do this problem is with the chip model. And so I would make a model of a -1 with my little negative chip here. I'd have one negative, and then to model -7, I would do 7 little chips, right? And we're making them red because typically when you see a problem that involves negatives, we think of red. So we are combining one negative, we're combining it, and I know that because I'm adding it. So I'm adding that together with 7. So how many negatives do I have altogether? I have a total of 8. So -1 plus -7 is -8. Problem number 2 is exactly the same type of problem, but I'm going to show you what to do using a number line instead. So imagine that I'm starting here at my starting point on the number line. I'm starting at -6. A negative number is represented on the number line by moving to the left. That is the negative direction. So that means that I'm going to go to the left, and I'm going to go 8 places to the left. I'm going to get this out of my way here. So if I go to the left 8 places on the number line, I'm actually going to end up getting more negative, because remember the way that negatives work, they keep going like that. So if I go to the left 8 places and I started at -6, I'm going to end up here at -14. So -6 plus -8 is equal to -14. Last but not least, once again, I have a -1, which is being combined with a -6. So now I'm just going to write the rule. So here, when adding numbers with the same sign, step 1, we're going to add them. So 1 plus 6 equals 7. And then step 2, you're just going to keep that sign. So -1 plus -6 is -7.